This is AI yourself. Today, Google's Veo 3.1 versus ByteDance's brand new Seedance 2.5, and whether the newer, flashier one is actually worth switching to. Google's Veo 3.1 has been the default answer to best AI video generator for a while now. This week, that answer got a real challenger. ByteDance just started rolling out Seedance 2.5, and it's shipping with a feature no mainstream model has matched yet: 30 seconds of native video in one generation, no stitching clips together. I'm comparing them head to head on what actually matters if you're using one of these for real work: cost, quality, and one risk factor most reviews aren't mentioning yet. Start with Veo 3.1, since it's the known quantity. It comes in 3 tiers. Light is the cheapest, a few cents per second, good for drafts and high volume experiments. Fast is the middle tier, built for production speed with native audio. Quality is the top tier, the one you use for a hero shot you actually want to publish. The standout feature is audio. Veo 3.1 generates synchronized sound natively, and it does spatial audio. A car passing from left to right actually sounds like it's moving across the stereo field. It's also the first mainstream model with true 4K output. On access, Gemini Advanced runs about $20 a month for limited fast tier access. The full 4K, no watermark package is Google AI Ultra, which runs into the low hundreds per month. Seedance 2.5 is ByteDance's answer, and its headline feature is duration, 30 seconds natively in one pass, versus the short stitched clips most competitors, Veo included, still rely on. It takes up to 50 reference inputs at once for consistency, and there's a beta long-form mode reaching 3 minutes. The feature that matters most for actual editing work is local editing. Fix one wrong detail without regenerating the whole clip. Pricing isn't fully public yet since this is a same-week rollout. Access right now is through ByteDance's Dreamina and Gmung apps, with CapCut integration expected within a couple weeks. Here's the part I want to flag before anyone tells you to switch tools this week. Seedance 2.0, the previous version, could generate convincing likenesses of real actors, and major studios sent cease and desist letters over it. ByteDance added content filters and C2PA watermarking in response, but those legal disputes were never resolved in court. They're still open, and Seedance 2.5 is launching into that same unresolved situation. That doesn't mean don't use it. It means don't assume the copyright question is settled for anything client-facing or monetized. So, worth it or not? If you need dependable audio, top resolution, and safer legal footing while these disputes play out, Veo 3.1 is the more mature choice. If your bottleneck is long continuous shots and local editing would save you hours, Seedance 2.5's feature set is genuinely ahead, but you're adopting a same-week product with an open legal question behind it. My honest take: stick with Veo 3.1 for anything you're publishing under your own name or a client's, and treat Seedance 2.5 as something to test in a sandbox, not your main pipeline, until the dust settles. That's AI yourself. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.